Will there be training on how to use the crampons or other technical gear during the Mont Blanc Summit Course? So technical training for the Mont Blanc Summit Course is included. And what we do is we work on technical skills that involve walking with the crampons, walking with the ice axe, walking in a rope party, understanding the use of the different materials, understanding some basic knots, including the figure of eight, the clove hitch, the Italian H. These are three basic knots that we use a lot in alpinism, and this is something that we will actually teach you. You don't have to master them, of course, but it's important that you have at least some knowledge of this. We'll be checking everything all the time, that's for sure. We'll also go through understanding maps, how to navigate in the glacier, how to do some basic rescuing techniques. So what happens when we're in the rope party and how we should be able to walk if the crevasses are quite exposed, things of that nature. And then of course, how do we go up in short roping on things like the Grand Couloir over here. These are all skills that we learn within this course. We don't expect you to be a cliffhanger, you know, at the end of all of this. But we do expect that you're able to understand instructions and you're able to translate those instructions into action. And that's ultimately what we're looking for at a basic level. And then of course, we'd love to build on that in the future, whether it's coming back to the Mont Blanc or doing other spectacular summits. There is so much more out here than just the Mont Blanc, but we understand the Mont Blanc is a very attractive name and it brings people here for the first time. If that's why you're coming, that's great. All the power to you. It's an amazing experience.